Step 1. Create a collection and upload photos. Click New Collection in the upper right corner to quickly complete the creation. Create and set the name of the set as needed. Upload photos. Videos are also supported. Before uploading, you can choose whether to add a watermark and whether to turn on AI searching pre-processing. Step 2. Set up various settings. After uploading photos, you can make individual settings for each photo, such as adding watermark, setting as highlights, etc. Click Settings in the upper left corner to make more settings, including Collection Settings, Download, Design, Favorite, and Store. It is recommended that you sell products in the gallery to earn more. You can sell digital photos, prints, wallets, albums, etc. Remember to turn on the Store Status switch and assign the corresponding price sheet to it. Step 3. Share to clients. Click the Share button. There are 3 sharing methods. 1. Send email to customer mailbox. 2. Share QR code. 3. Share direct link. Step 4. Proof with speed. Clients enter their email address to enter the gallery. They can view photos, select favorites, send comments, download photos, etc. They can also purchase products in the print store, select the product, complete the personalized customization, fill in the delivery information, and then place the order. Step 5. Proof with speed. You can view the client's activity information in Activities, including favorite activities, download activities, and email registration.